Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha states, when calumny imposed on me spread among the people, though I did not know about it, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam got up and delivered a sermon. So he sallallahu alaihi wasallam recited the article of faith, glorified and praised Allah Jalla Jalaluhu as He Jalla Jalaluhu deserves, and then said, to proceed, give me an opinion about the people who imputed calumny to my wife. By Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, I do not find any depravity in my wife, and he whom they are accusing has never entered my house without me, and whenever I leave the house to embark on journey, he accompanies me. Then hadith goes like the previous one. This narration adds, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam entered my house and asked my slave girl Hazrat Barira radiyallahu anha about me. She submitted, by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, I have not observed any objectionable thing in her, saves it that she sometimes goes to sleep and a goat comes and eats the dough. Hisham is in doubt whether she said ajeen or khamir. One of his companions, Hazrat Ali radiyallahu anhu, reprimanded her and said, speak the truth to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. The people asked from her different things for clarification. So she said, glory be to Allah Jalla Jalaluhu. By Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, I know her as a goldsmith knows the red bar of pure gold. When this news reached the men about whom the calumny had been fabricated, Hazrat Safwan bin Mu'attal Sulami radiyallahu anhu, he said, glory be to Allah Jalla Jalaluhu. By Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, I have never ever exposed a woman. He embraced martyrdom in Allah's way. This narration adds, the slanderers include Hazrat Mistah, Hazrat Hamna and Hazrat Hassan radiyallahu anhum. As for Abdullah bin Ubay Salul, he would exert himself to gather information about it, and he as well as Hamna disseminate it the most. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 6953.